is up? Today is moving day. I am out of Trivandrum, moving on to my next destination. You're going to see a little bit more about that in the coming days, and I'll show you a little bit about where I'm headed. So off we go. Just finished eating a sandwich and thought I would make an observation and some comments about the food. Not necessarily the type of food or anything, but if you're a vegetarian, this is your place. You would love India, and I'm assuming, and shouldn't assume, but I know that at least here in Kerala, everything is labeled and marked as either veg or non-veg, so vegetarian or non-vegetarian. There's an indicator on the menus, there's an indicator on packaged food. I've seen the signs on the front of restaurants where it will say veg and non-veg, everything. And when I say it's marked, on this Pepsi can even, there is an indicator on the Pepsi can right there, that little green dot with the square around it, that indicates that this is a non-veg food item. So even a package of ketchup that is Del Monte ketchup, you can see right there that there's also a green dot with a square around it. So it's on, like I said, it's on everything. It's even in the hotel room service menu, on the menus. Pretty phenomenal, I guess, if you're a vegetarian, so you know exactly what your choices are for vegetarian and non-vegetarian foods. Anyway, I am going to finish up my dinner and have a little bit of chocolate cake and ice cream. So, bon appetit. My first meal in India was a hamburger, so I thought it was appropriate to make my first meal in Dubai a hamburger. Who knew it would be Burger King? So
second food experience here in Dubai, I decided to go with something regional. Had a hamburger for dinner, and I needed something sweet. So regional meant ice cream, and I went with Arabic ice cream. Looks really good, and I will enjoy it. I know it is lotus cookie flavored and cookies and cream. So how could that be wrong?